You guys, do you want to head about 60, 80 metres up that way?
That's team 2.
Team 2? You guys want to head out that way?
Okay.
Out that way. And we're going to go out that way. Okay?
Out that way?
About 80 metres past the clearing. Okay? And we've got everyone on, we've got one person each team on channel 21. You guys got channel 21?
Yep.
If
needed.
You guys got phones or anything?
Where's your AEG, Squirt?
I'm
going pistol. You're all dead! Ow! Right, sit. Damn it. One run, 5 kills.
Yeah, I heard you come in there. The pistol, that's our secret weapon coming in.
Shotgun, I'm sorry for shooting that close. Sorry, man, it's okay? Man. Fuck, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's what I come out here for, man. Illich.
No?
Alright. That was last Sunday. So we're doing an Illich hunt? Yeah.
See your face, Moss. Are you ready?
Aim low, guys.
Happy birthday! Go! Ah. Well done, Ellie! Big hit for Alex!
Happy birthday, man!
Happy birthday, bro!
Well done.